Hello friends, and welcome back to Challenge Quiz. In this video, let's see how well you can guess the restaurant name by emoji. We have prepared 40 questions, and remember you have only 8 seconds to find the answer. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Guess the restaurant by emoji. Great, it's McDonald's. Can you guess this restaurant name? Fantastic, it's Domino's Pizza. Which restaurant do these emojis stand for? Amazing, it's Pizza Hut. Which restaurant reminds you of the redhead girl with pigtails? Definitely, it is Wendy's. Guess the restaurant. Great, it's Starbucks. Can you spot the odd Starbucks logo? The odd one is here. Which restaurant do these symbols hint at? It's Dairy Queen. Let's see if you can crack this one. Great, it's Taco Bell. Can you guess this one? Amazing, it's KFC. Eyes test. Where is the KFC man hiding? He is hiding under cup B. What fast food is this? Great, it's Burger King. Guess the fast food restaurant by emoji. It's Dunkin Donuts. Which fast food restaurant is this? It's Church's Chicken. Can you guess this one? It's Popeyes. Would you rather eat pizza for your whole life or eat burger? Let me know in the comments. Which restaurant do these symbols hint at? It's Subway. Can you guess this restaurant name? Nice, it's Chipotle. What's your guess here? It's Chick-fil-A. Now time to spot odd chicken emoji. The odd one is here. Can you guess this one? Great, it's Waffle House. Let's see if you can crack this one. It's Panda Express. Can you find the odd panda emoji? Great, here is the odd one. Which restaurant do these emojis stand for? That's Jack in the Box. Try to guess this famous YouTuber restaurant. Great, it's Mr. Beast Burger. How many subscribers does Mr. Beast channel have as of now? It's over 300 million. Guess the fast food restaurant by emoji. It's In-N-Out Burger. Which fast food restaurant is this? It's Wingstop. Can you crack the name of this restaurant? It's Carl's Jr. Guess the restaurant by emoji. Great, it's Red Lobster. Now time to find odd lobster emoji. The odd one is here. Which restaurant do these emojis stand for? It's Whataburger. Guess the name of this restaurant. That's Five Guys. Can you guess this one? Amazing, it's Applebee's. What fast food restaurant uses this slogan? It's finger-licking good. Let me know the answer in the comments. Can you guess the restaurant name by these given letters? Great, it's Outback. Can you crack the name of this restaurant? Amazing, it's Firehouse Subs. Do you know the restaurant name? It's Del Taco. Which fast food restaurant is this? It's White Castle. Now guess this restaurant name. Nice, it's Hardee's. Can you crack the name of this restaurant? Great, it's Papa John's. Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe the challenge quiz for more fun quizzes like this.